What's up, team? It's Tierra B, naturally. And in today's video, I'm excited to show you guys something a little bit different. Yes, honey. Okay, so previously I taught you how to do regular cornrows and then stitch braids. Now we're going to flat twist. So it's funny because it was easier to teach you guys how to do those braids than it is to teach you all how to flat twist. And that's mainly because primarily I would go to braiding before flat twisting, just because that's my specialty. But anywho, let's go ahead and get into it. In this case, we're going to go ahead and split the hair into two pieces, and we're going to go ahead and add a little product and begin to grab each piece and kind of wrap them around each other while picking up new hair as you go. It kind of remind me of the stitch braid, except for instead of using my pinky, I use my pointer finger to proceed to the next piece, if you will, on that left hand. You see, I'm just kind of taking that pointer finger and creating the next section and then looping it around itself. So yeah, guys, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I'm grateful for your continued views on my previous videos. I'll continue to keep these tutorials coming. Looks like you guys are enjoying learning something new. So hopefully this helps. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to teach you as far as hairstyles, and I'll do my best to accommodate. In the meantime, I'll let this run, play some good music, and I'll check back with you in the end. All right, so here's the final look. I think it gives a very unique look in comparison to the braids. I don't know, it's like a little more sleek, a little bit more elegant maybe. I know braids usually last a little bit longer than twists, but it's good to be able to do both so you can have some options, honey. Listen, I'm Tierra B and I am out. Bye.